Hello everyone. So topic is how to improve the Power BI reports performance. Improving the performance of Power BI reports is essential to ensure a smooth and efficient user experience. Here are some of the best tips to optimize your Power BI reports. Data model optimization. Simplify data models. Remove unnecessary columns and tables. Use appropriate data types. Avoid complex relationships and use star schema where possible. Reduce data volume. Filter out unnecessary data during the data load process. Use aggregations and summarized data where detailed data is not required. Optimize calculated columns and measures. Prefer measures over calculated columns as measures are calculated on the fly and don't increase the size of your model. Use DX functions efficiently, avoiding complex and nested functions if simpler alternatives exist. Query optimization. Use query folding. Ensure transformations in Power Query Editor are folded back to the source query to leverage the source database's processing power. Use native database queries where possible. Optimize data refresh. Schedule data refresh during off-peak hours. Use incremental refresh for large datasets to avoid full data refresh. Visuals optimization. Limit the number of visuals. Reduce the number of visuals on a single report page to minimize rendering time. Use bookmarks and drill-through features to manage complex reports with multiple visuals. Optimize visual interactions. Turn off unnecessary interactions between visuals. Use simpler visuals when possible, as complex visuals like maps and custom visuals can slow down performance. Optimize data slices. Use slicers and filters effectively to limit the data being processed and displayed. Pre-filter data in the Power Query Editor before loading it into the model. DX optimization. Efficient DX coding. Avoid using volatile functions like now or rand in measures. Optimize the use of iterative functions, example, sumx, averagex, by ensuring they operate on smaller tables. Avoid unnecessary calculations. Use variables in DX to store intermediate results and avoid redundant calculations. Aggregate data at the highest level possible to reduce the amount of data being processed. General tips. Use aggregations. Implement aggregations to store pre-computed results for faster query performance. Optimize the data source. Ensure your data source, example, SQL Server, is optimized for performance, including indexing and query optimization. Use direct query mode for large datasets where appropriate, but be mindful of its limitations and performance implications. Monitor and analyze performance.